Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. You guys can see that I took a cheeky little short here at Market Open today to get out for about $785. If you're not in the free Discord, go join it. It is linked down below. But today I came in with no bias. I didn't have a single bias. I didn't know if we wanted to go higher, go lower, because if we take a look at the 4-hour, we can just see that we are stuck inside of this 4-hour range, right? This high, this low, we're just in the middle of it. So I came in with no bias. I noticed that midnight open did come up and take this high at 2 a.m. 2 to 3 a.m. likes to make high of day. So I had that in mind. And then I realized, hey, we have a 1-hour fair value gap here. So kind of more bearish than I am bullish. We did have an SMT at these lows, but I thought that that would just get ran through, which it did. So I was a little more bearish than I was bullish. Now taking a look at the 15-minute, what do we see here? Right, we have a high, which is that 1-hour fair value gap, and we notice we're just wicking into it. And right here we form an SMT with the ES. So we have an SMT with the ES. Nice cheeky little 15-minute inbound. Actually, this is a unicorn breaker, new high, fair value gap, unicorn setup right there. So a nice little 15-minute unicorn, 1-hour fair value gap. And right there is where we create that 5-minute or whatever SMT and a 5-minute imbalance. So seeing that, we traded into this 5-minute imbalance. I wanted to see us displace lower and head to these lows. So what I did, if you guys want to see the live execution, go on my Twitter. Link is in the description. It's on socials. So 5-minute imbalance opens up. We trade into it right here. I think that's where we trade into it. I'm not sure where we traded. I don't know if it opened up here. I think it opened up and we traded right there. I'm not sure. But anyways, we take this high here. We have a 1-minute order block that we clearly respected. And I saw, hey, we have a breaker. We have a fat order block. And we have a fair value gap. With all of these lined up, it's just a no-brainer short. I marketed in as soon as we came in here. I had a stop above this candle's high for 20 points, and I got out right below this low for 39-ish points, $785, whatever that is. So a nice short happened right there. Now, the rest of the day, after that, I reset. I said, I'll be looking for a new trade at 10 whenever news drops. What do we see here? Well, we take this high and just go straight down to this low, and then we displace back inside this range, and then we just kind of engineer buy side. We sweep this low, and then I'm pretty sure a nice trade came out right there. Yeah, nice imbalance, but today's seek and destroy, so we never, like, we chop around, go to buy side, come down, chop around, like today's S&D, right? London took out Asia high and Asia low. So it's NFP week, seek and destroy on a Monday. Expect for chop, right? If we take a look at the calendar right here, Monday, we had PMI at 10. Tomorrow we have Powell speaking, so that's going to be interesting. There's nothing else. That's oil. I don't know if there is anything else. Wednesday we have couple red folders, and then Thursday we're closed for a bank holiday, and then Friday's NFP. So decent amount of news this week, but today just a scalp day, right? There's nothing really going on. And if we take a look at this, if you're not already in a position somewhere down here, I wouldn't trade this. Yes, we probably go up to these highs, but you're just going to get chopped up in this ugly price action. So I mean, like, right, come into this fair value gap, start to trade away from it, come back down, take this low, trade away from it, come back down. Like, it's just not good price action. So just wait for tomorrow. If we take a look at the charts, depending on what we do, like if we come up and take this high, then I honestly don't know what I would expect, because it does look like weekly internal to external in a 4-hour market maker buy model, right? Original consolidation, standard deviations. We have reached -2, 2.5, souped equal lows, displaced back inside this range, we are continuing to hold this 4-hour fair value gap. So if the 4-hour starts to displace away from here, this high obviously becomes the draw. So just wait on that, right? We come down, take this sell side, and coming back inside of this hourly range that we're currently stuck in. So yeah, I mean, not the best price action for Monday, but given it's a Monday, seek and destroy and NFP, so take what the market gives you and just walk away for the day, right? So I'm gonna go outside, swim, and chill. So have a good rest of the trading week. It is a short week, so be nimble, take what the market gives you, and then Friday be ready for NFP. I honestly would expect this high. So that's going to be it from me. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in another one. Join the free Discord. Peace.